Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on building features from image data. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. From machine-generated art to visualizations of black holes, some of the hottest applications of ML and AI these days are to data in image form. In this course, you will gain the ability to structure image data in a manner ideal for use in ML models. First, you'll learn how to pre-process images using operations such as making the aspect ratio uniform, normalizing pixel magnitudes, and cropping images to be square in shape. Next, you will discover how to implement denoising techniques such as ZCA whitening and batch normalization to remove variations. Finally, you will explore how to identify points and blobs of interest and calculate image descriptors using algorithms such as histogram of oriented gradients and scale invariant feature transform. You'll round out the course by implementing dimensionality reduction using dictionary learning, feature extraction using convolution kernels, and latent factor identification using autoencoders. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to move on to pre-process images in conceptually and practically sound ways and extract features from such data for use in machine learning models.